Hello, YouTube. A midweek clip and weekend storm keep active winter pattern alive in the east. That's what we're dealing with here. In the eastern United States, this winter season has felt relentless in recent weeks with impactful storms and unyielding, dangerous cold bringing repeated disruptions to the region. This week, the pattern will start out primarily dry across the northeast and southeast as the high pressure dominates the region. And by midweek, a Clipper type system is expected to impact areas from the Great Lakes to New England as conditions trend slightly warmer for some, but attention may soon turn to a larger scale storm that could take shape for much of the East next weekend. Into midweek, forecasters are monitoring a developing feature that could bring a mix of wintry weather to parts of the Great Lakes and the Northeast. Travelers should stay aware. Travelers should stay weather aware. Yep, that's true. Travelers should stay weather aware as snow spreads across the region, particularly those heading along portions of Interstates 81, 87, 91, and 93 in parts of New England. As this storm sweeps through the Northeast, it will help to pull a warmer air mass north across the region and provide residents with a welcome break after the bitter cold over the weekend. Over the coming days, the harshest Arctic air will gradually retreat north, providing a much needed reprieve for residents and easing strain on the energy grid. Prolonged cold earlier this season drove up heating demand, leaving many households with higher than average electricity bills. Into the weekend, a storm is expected to set up across the eastern US that could bring a variety of weather hazards depending on the path it travels. A few scenarios are at play later this week, ranging from a primarily southerly track that introduces more of a solidified risk for flooding and even severe thunderstorms along the Gulf Coast states and southeast to a northerly track that means more snow and ice for the Midwest and Northeast. Even if the storm's track varies, rain and thunderstorms developing across the South could raise flooding concerns as deep Gulf moisture feeds into the system. Ongoing drought conditions from Texas to the Carolinas, including pockets of extreme drought, mean rainfall would be welcome, but dry soils may increase the risk for rapid runoff. As the system takes shape in the days ahead, forecast details will continue to come into focus. Well, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. And remember, if you liked what you saw, click like or subscribe below. Happy Valentine's Day.